going on, guys? Today we are going to start this series and we are going to title it something along the lines of preparing for your first elk trip. Me and the boys are going to Colorado this coming year and we have never been elk hunting. We are flatlanders to say the least, and it's going to be quite the ride. So you are going to see it from the very first perspective of what you might be seeing it of as the very first perspective of you seeing it. Hopefully it'll be a learning tool for you guys so that you can see our failures and our accomplishments and see what we learned along the way, us testing out equipment, what equipment we're bringing with us. And we're planning a monthly meeting, and as the date gets closer towards the end of August, we'll probably be meeting up quite a bit, just making sure we've got everything in line. So that's the first of it. This is our first meeting coming up right here. It was more of trying to figure out what the other guys need. Some of us have more stuff accumulated than others, so we're trying out some sleeping bags, trying out some tents, trying out some sleeping mats. One of the others got, checking others' backpacks out, and we're all gonna keep getting equipment and testing stuff out like this, keep talking about regulations, what we need to be bringing with us, safety-wise, regulation-wise. Anyways, I hope you enjoy.
He didn't want to lose body heat.
You can snuggle right in there with
How long did that take to set up?
I don't know.
Lay in there.
Yeah, oh, two guys.
All right, Ty, get in there. What's
3 minutes?
Oh man, this
That's
is
right,
Ty.
Ty.
It's like a 4-person.
Scotty, we ain't there for like
You want me?
Yeah, get in there,
a
Ty.
long time. Just to sleep for the night.
Oh,
I
yeah.
f***ing sleepwalk.
Get in there,
I
Ty.
know. Where are you going? Okay, go ahead.
Let me get a snap of this though.
Garrett, I don't even know if you would spit in here.
One person.
Too
Yeah,
short?
yours- yeah, your feet, your head and feet might be touching each end.
Well, he's an S sleeper like me, so it'll be
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
I wouldn't even think it.
Hey!
I wouldn't even think it weighed that.
Ooh, that
Get
one.
out of here!
That looks like that'd be a little tight on my shoulders.
Yeah. You can't even zip Get it up. up.
Get in there, Lily. Get him, Lily.
There's a cinch strap
Yeah.
somewhere.
Is that what the worm's called? Pull that right, Ty.
It's a 2-man project to get.
Gus, I'm gonna whoop your ass.
I couldn't feel it
Zip it
when
up
I
there,
was just
Nathan.
laying
You
on
gonna
that.
sleep like that?
If my hip don't touch, Nathan's ain't gonna.
No, I don't.
Now, you see
I mean,
when the
how
Lord
many days
never, throws you out of the bedroom, you just...
I already had 10 up once.
Ain't bad at all.
It'll be our smell.
If Garrett's hip don't touch, that's gonna be a. They make
shower things.
That's a
That's just.
That's a
That's absurd.
I'm not gonna get in.
mountain house and sit in those bags.
Those all roll up the same size.
And it'd be quick
I
to
don't
blow.
touch.
Nuh-uh.
I don't touch.
Really?
Not even close.
That's the.
Right, no, the bottom floor or the top floor?
Your feet are sticking out though.
Yeah, you're gonna have to order like extra long.
They make them
stuff.
long. We got our caller.
You guys ain't killing nothing.
Oh, you gotta put your bottom lip in the gap.
There you go.
Oh,
Now get her.
Now do the chuckle.
no, that ain't nothing like a chuckle.
Hey, do me a favor, like and subscribe. Subscribe to this channel, hit that bell button for notifications. We're going to be trying to pump 1 to 2 videos out a week. It's a lot for us, but we know you guys would enjoy it. So if you like this trapping, fishing, hunting, coyote hunting, mushroom picking, all that kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button and we will see you. I will see you on the flip side. The other guys can think of their own catchphrase. Thanks for watching.